Sneakers check. गर्मी हो रही है इसलिए चड्डी check. Loose t-shirt check. Wife check. Check. अरे by the way, babe, tell me one thing. Hey, hello. Listen, tell me. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is the situation on top of my head, with 1 being really bad, like really low, and 10 being like, हाँ ठीक है, like I mean it's pretty good right now. I like it.
Can I go minus?
क्या?
Can I go minus?
Shut up.
Have you seen it?
इतना बुरा थोड़ा है.
Still love you, baby.
Anyways, guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. And yes, today I am actually heading out for a haircut because it is absolutely necessary for me. And because it's just literally every shoot that I'm trying to do, उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत लग रही है to just do my hair up, and I don't want that to happen. And yes, so haircut is very important. And now, thankfully, गुड़गांव में कुछ salons खुल गए हैं. So one in Cyber Hub called Look Salon is open. So I've taken an appointment. So Rohini and I are heading out over there. Carefully, we're gonna make sure that we take all the precautions and everything. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna go and get a haircut because it is due. Even I am quite like, I like my long hair like this, but it's just ki rose is just too much to manage, you know. So, and plus it's garmi ka mausam, so I want it to be a little bit easier to manage. So we're gonna do that, and so yeah, let's go. Before we go, actually, guys, oh shit, बहुत ज़्यादा slippery है. Anyway, sorry about that. But anyways, before we go, guys, I wanted to actually show you this thing, guys. पता है बहुत सारे लड़के लोग कह रहा हूँ. Us guys, we take a normal trimmer, okay, but we forget to take a trimmer that looks like this and has these attachments. And for those of you who do not know what these attachments are for, this is actually for your nose. तो ये आपके नाक के बाल जो है वो अगर लंबे होते हैं और नाक के बीच में से अगर निकल रहे होते हैं यहाँ से इधर उधर से, तो ये उनको ट्रिम करने के लिए होता है, which is actually a very important thing. कोई लड़की नहीं चाहती कि भाई बाल यहाँ से निकलते हुए दिखें and stuff. Is very bad. And this one is actually a very nice one because this कई लड़कों के यहाँ पे कान पे भी बाल आते हैं stuff. मेरे भी बहुत छोटे छोटे आते हैं, but point is when you have something like this, it helps trim all of that stuff off, that fuzz. So guys, this kind of a trimmer is very nice, and this company is, as you know, is always amazing. आपने जिस भी salon में जाएंगे तो उनके clippers जो होते हैं वो इस कंपनी के होते हैं, वॉल के. So this one is actually quite nice because this thing is very good for making the beard के lines and stuff. So अभी तो खैर मैं जा रहा हूँ salon में, I will get everything done up properly. But अगर आपके पास नहीं है तो this thing is very nice. I'll leave the link code for this one in the description below. You guys must get this thing. It is actually phenomenal. Outfit change also.
Oh, I just realized I'm underestimating Delhi की गर्मी. I just checked, it's 45 degrees outside. और jeans में तो मेरा पता नहीं क्या ही हो जाता.
Yeah.
So like, let me be sensible and wear something which is weather appropriate. I was wearing jeans. So it's bloody hot outside.
Good. You're becoming intelligent about Delhi now, you know. Woohoo! We are finally out, guys. After a very long time. It is very long time. क्या कल गए थे हम Starbucks से निकले. But
मतलब गाड़ी से बाहर निकल के होता है.
Yeah. It feels good, guys. But one thing is you have to consider. We have been vaccinated twice. कुछ भी. But we are still wearing masks.
Vaccinated twice, we've been vaccinated once. We've taken both our jabs.
Sorry. Point is that we are wearing our masks. गाइस, जितनी गर्मी हमको लग रही थी वैसे ही मौसम एकदम से बदल चुका है. मौसम आई वाज एक्चुअली जनरली गोइंग टू से मौसम यार. पर मौसम एकदम से बदल गया है फॉर द गुड. एक्चुअली इट्स बिकम कूलर. एंड गाइस, वी आर फाइनली हियर. ये वो जगह जो मेरे को बिल्कुल ट्रांसफॉर्म करेगी, हैवान से इंसान बनाएगी. After you, ladies first. So guys, I'm in this salon and as you can see, बिल्कुल खाली है. Maybe only one's here by appointment and my mask is not going off. And as you can see, पहले आप देख लो बाल, they're quite long. I mean, they're coming up to my nose and stuff. Just gonna do my regular thing of just going a little bit short, not too short on the length, but just on the sides so that it's manageable, you know. Now I'm just waiting on the stylist to come in and we can start. Guys, the haircut is done and I don't know about you, but I actually quite like it. It looks very nice and different from all the haircuts that I usually have. It's quite like classic also, you know. You can, this is what I like about this haircut, you know, you can kind of rock it with like a suit also. It's even fun for like a casual thing as well, as you can see from the side. Nothing too drastic on the sides, so perfect for someone who wants to go for an office look as well. Quite happy with this thing, you know. And it's got like a little bit of a puff as well. सीधा chocolate section में जाके पहुंची है and she's picked up her dark chocolate. कौन सी उठाई दिखाना जरा. 70. Oh my God, what happened to 85%? अकल आ गई हैं? जहर लग रहा था.
मैं बचपन से खाती हूँ.
Please, okay. I'm not joking, guys. That 85% is death. Oh please, okay. बस दिखाने के लिए मत करो.
You reminded me and I'm trying to.
वैसे एक चीज बता. You've seen like Cyber Hub now,
Yeah.
okay? You've explored it completely.
Yeah.
ठीक है? You've seen AeroCity also, right? I say, ठीक है, that all of Delhi should be like how Cyber Hub and AeroCity is.
Yeah, definitely.
You know, मैं तो कहता हूँ कि जिसने
AeroCity तो दिल्ली में आता है और साइबर हब गुड़गांव में आता है.
I know, but like I feel like whoever made like
Yeah,
DLF made
it.
Cyber Hub, GMR made AeroCity.
Oh, by the way, I have
एक
to.
मिनट. What I'm trying to say is कि जो जिनको ये दे रखा है, अगर इनको पूरे दिल्ली का ब्यूटिफिकेशन का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दे दो, wouldn't that be just like the best thing ever?
Yeah, that would be amazing. But when you went to the salon, I was speaking to the staff there. Apparently, you know what DLF has done, and I think DLF is such a fab company. It's amazing. जितने उनके employees हैं, उन्होंने specially उनके लिए vaccination drive कराया और जितने DLF के employees हैं, they all are vaccinated. Did you know that?
I didn't know this, but
I just
a
found
lot of other companies have also done it for the employees, which is fantastic, fab.
So you have like a small company, big company, and you know, if you haven't done it yet, I think you should totally do it because yeah, like it's important that everybody gets vaccinated जितनी जल्दी हो सके.
We are not paid by DLF
No, I was just seeing
or GMR to say anything.
I was seeing.
Yeah, continue. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीजें थी.
No, I'm just saying that you know, जितना स्टाफ था सैलून में जब आप बाल कटा रहे थे तो वो बात कर रहे थे मैम इतने दिनों के बाद आए हैं, ये है वो, ये करा लीजिए, वो करा लीजिए. And I was like, नहीं मैं क्या करा लूँ, आप ब्लो ड्राई करा के जाना कहाँ है, मुझे घर पे तो रहना है.
Yeah.
And they were like, आप जैसे लोग कहीं जाएंगे नहीं, कुछ करेंगे नहीं तो हमारा क्या होगा. And it feels so bad, you know, the economy is hit so badly. And that's why it's so important कि फटाफट हमारी country जल्दी से vaccinate हो और सब लोग, you know, the economy needs to revive because even that guy out there, the manager, he was saying that आप विश्वास नहीं करेंगे कितनी companies बंद हो रही हैं. So
But let me ask you this thing, okay? So the government has just told us that just this weekend that's the malls opened, Select City Walk, one of the malls in Delhi, they saw a footfall of 19,000 people, and if that rate goes in then
फिर वापस लॉकडाउन होगा.
yeah, so how do you, so it's a very, you know, delicate kind of a thing, guys.
No,
बोलना आसान है कि, you know, कि to get the economy back and everything also, but how do you do it? If the people go out, then there's corona, and if they don't go out, then you do
There
not
has
get.
to be, देखो 19,000 का footfall. I mean, see, if you and I can discuss this, I'm sure the government or at least the people who own the malls, who have mall security, they should have a limit. एक लिमिट से ऊपर लोगों को अलाउ मत करो. You know what I mean? Economy तो अगर कोरोना से नहीं मरेंगे तो people will die of hunger, dude. कुछ तो there has to be a solution.
It's a
catch-22.
catch-22 situation. अभी हम लोग सिर्फ घर ही जा सकते हैं. we spent as much as we could have.
We have done whatever we could to
We
save
did
the
something
economy.
for the economy. And guys, we're finally home, and I've taken a shower and everything, and I'm actually quite liking this hairstyle. I don't know about you guys, but very different from my usual hairstyle. आप लोगों ने जो मेरे को Instagram पे follow करते हैं, you guys can see what my hairstyle looks like over there. But this actually, I like it because, you know, it, like I said, you can wear it with a suit, you can wear it casually as well. And the reason why I went and I got a haircut, which was absolutely necessary for me right now, it was because I had shoots, and uske liye, you know, you have to look a little bit better. So we took the risk. It was empty, it was safe. So we did that, we did our part. Anyways, point is, that's it for today. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for all the love that you guys are showing on the vlogs. I'm loving the comments. They're so positive. And even better than that would be if you just hit the subscribe button so you'll get even more fresh content on the daily. I will see you guys later. Take care, stay safe, stay sexy. God bless. Bye.